To see an alligator in your dream symbolizes treachery, deceit, and hidden instincts. It may be a signal for you to take on a new perspective on a situation. It may also represent your ability to move between the physical, material world of waking life and the emotional, repressed world of the subconscious. Alternatively, the alligator represents healing powers and qualities. An alligator also suggests that you are thick-skinned or insensitive. To dream that you are running away from the alligator indicates that you are unwilling to confront some painful and disturbing aspect of your subconscious. There is some potentially destructive emotion that you are refusing to acknowledge and owning up to. To dream that you are raped by an alligator indicates that you feel violated or taken advantage of in some way. The alligator is symbolic of someone who is ruthless, insensitive and treacherous. This person has a strong hold on you despite your efforts to break free from the unhealthy relationship. According to biblical interpretations, an alligator suggests that Leviathan is king over the children of pride. PSA 74 hours 14 minutes, Job 41-1, ISA 27-1.